Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and today I'm going to be working on this 2022 Volkswagen Taiwan that's got a sharp dent that runs through the body line that I'll be repairing with the Paintless Dent Repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, this particular dent has destroyed this body line. There is no body line, so Paintless Dent Repair is going to have to push this body line back to correct it. It also has made some high crowns right here that have to be knocked back down with a knockdown to correct that. Now, because this dent is so sharp, it's going to require some heat, and the reason I'm going to put heat on it is to help soften this metal and to help it also to prevent it from cracking. Now, when starting this dent repair, I'm going to be using a tool from Blim. It's an adjustable handle with a sharp tip. Okay, now you can see how the body line is back in shape here, but there's some high crowns here, and these high crowns need to be knocked down and reshaped. And there's some push marks that you can see in here, but we can knock those down too. Now, in order to knock these crowns down, I'm going to be using a blending hammer, and that will work this crown. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So if you had damages that were similar to this and would like to know if your car is a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, give us a call at 325-703-6149 or stop by and see us at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. My name is Tom Eister, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more of the benefits of Paintless Dent Repair.